I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your user ID and password. Now start the app and sign in. Enter your full work email or UPN in the sign-in box, then type the password exactly, case matters. If prompted, select work or school account, do not choose personal. Once done, accept the organization's conditional access prompts, such as multi-factor authentication or device compliance. Make sure notifications are allowed so you receive verification codes. This gets you past the gate and into the team's main interface quickly. Once signed in, personalize settings to avoid interruptions and to be identifiable. Go to Settings, update your display name and upload a photo, set time zone so meetings show correctly. Next, join teams or channels. Use a join code, click an invitation link, or request access from the team owner. For calls and meetings, open device settings and select your preferred microphone, speaker, and camera. Test them with the test call feature. These steps ensure you can collaborate and be heard clearly. Finish by syncing your calendar so meetings and notifications appear in Teams. Grant Outlook access if asked. If you change your password, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens and make sure the saved credentials in your OS are updated. If something goes wrong, start with network checks, then update the Teams app, and finally try the web version at Teams. Microsoft.com. One key troubleshooting tip. Clear the Teams cache or remove saved credentials before a fresh sign-in to resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.